Welcome to 1307 Truman Avenue in the heart of Old Town Key West. This Grand Victorian-era home with 5 bedrooms and 5.5 baths was built on Millionaire's Row between 1898 and 1904 on property that extends from Truman Avenue to Albury Street. A white picket fence leads past mature, rare trees that frame the entrance and expansive wrap-around covered porch. A restoration project that spanned 3 years earned the owner a coveted Ceramic Star Preservation Award for historic renovation. The 3-story entry hall and grand staircase with stained glass windows is a welcoming flourish to this approximately 4,000 square foot home that features Dade County pine flooring throughout. Take care to notice the carefully preserved original architectural details and millwork, the detailed trim, the leaded glass windows, and stick and ball accents in this home. The 12-foot ceilings are graced by wide base molding, beautiful crown, and Victorian picture rail molding. The entry parlor, with hidden pocket doors, is a light-filled room with large windows on 2 sides of the room. Ornately carved wooden room dividers provide a separation for the large living room with its gas fireplace. Across the hallway is the gracious formal dining room, adjacent to the Victorian-inspired modern kitchen. This spacious kitchen is the heart of the home. Its dark marble countertops and custom pecan cabinetry accentuate the stunning Carrara marble kitchen island and gas cooktop that are the hub of family activity and gracious entertaining. Top-of-the-line appliances include monogrammed double ovens, sub-zero refrigerator and wine cooler, and drawer-style double dishwasher. There's also a casual dining area inside this dream kitchen, with a laundry room and half bath nearby. 4 sets of French doors with transom windows provide natural light and open to the inviting covered porches leading to the sparkling pool and yard, with off-street parking beyond. The pool has recently been refinished and upgraded with new heater, pump, and filter. A new irrigation system has been installed, and the garden's professionally landscaped with beautiful outside lighting. Upstairs, soaring 12-foot ceilings create lofty space for the already large rooms on the 2nd floor. The master bedroom is at the front of the house and opens to a covered balcony. The elegant master bath features large windows and oversized double shower. There are also 2 large elliptical-shaped bedrooms on this floor, each with a private bath and cedar closet. The 3rd floor features another bedroom and full bath, as well as an open office or sitting area at the top of the stairs. The tall ceilings are highlighted with an open beam design. Accessing the open 3rd floor porch provides a treetop view of the water surrounding Key West. This home also has a 1-bedroom, 1-bath lockout apartment for au pair or guest, accessed by a separate side entrance. 1307 Truman Avenue, a stunning historical home, lovingly restored and thoroughly updated for modern living.